What's up, everybody? It's your boy Burnout Bobby. I'm over here riding with Matt. He invited me out his way to show me his area over by the beaches. So I figured it was gonna be a little bit of an overcast day, but let's come out and have some fun, ride around. That's what it's about, right? If you follow me on Instagram, Matt's bike I built probably about a month ago. It's a 2018 49cc Ruckus, got a 12.5 inch stretch. He already had the Two Brothers exhaust on there, but we did the intake, CDI, put the low boy shock on it, stretched it out, did front and back rims. Super clean setup. I absolutely love it, and it's not typical. I think that's why I like it a lot. How he left the factory lights on there, factory headlights, and then the factory floorboards. It made the build look so clean. I'll do some shots later on in the video of his bike, so y'all can see. My visor just came up. You can tell by the houses we're getting closer to the beach. Oh, I see the water. And his Ruckus, I think does 48 right now, and he has a stock variator in there. I don't know if you noticed when I mentioned the parts list, I didn't say anything about like a Polini variator yet. So we still haven't even gotten into the variator and tuning that, so that's pretty sweet. There's a lot of sand. Oh, it's in my eyes. Can't see. Look at these houses. Oh my gosh. I don't know how much the GoPro is catching, but that is unreal. Yeah, it's a nice house right there. Just a few million or more. Wow. This is definitely a nice area here. Basically what we're doing is we're just cruising the beach today. We're gonna go around his spots, and then oh, we can build the ruck shop right here, right? And then we will probably go get some lunch, and then he's gonna show me more around here. We're gonna do some photo shoots over by the waterfront, so keep an eye on my Instagram, and I'll tag his Instagram in the video, and then you guys can go ahead and check out his build. And he's got some sweet cars too, so if you're car guys, on top of that, you gotta see the cars he has. They're unreal. I'm just loving how clean that bike is. Alright, so we just finished the ride. That was awesome. He took me to a bunch of different beaches. It worked out really well. Weather held up. Got a little color. Now I'm going to take you for a walk around of his 2018? 2014?
Yep.
Looks like a 2018 Honda Ruckus. So you can see he did the 12x4 up front with the old school TRS front end kit, factory headlights, relocated the blinkers down to the old marker spot. Same thing on the other side. Went with the drag bar, the Trailtech vapor stem, and then he has the black vapor. Did the bar and mirrors. That was just a cool part. He kept the factory floorboard, and then when I was building it, I cut a couple spots underneath here so that I can stay all the way back and keep that look, which just complements like the style he was going for. It's got the low boy seat frame, gloss white. It's got his two brothers set up for the fatty. And he's got that 12x8 rear wheel. Kept the factory taillight bracket, but modified it so it's just there, and then relocated the plate. Went with the TVR intake with the low boy shock. Did the Repar block off. Lowered kickstand. Very, very clean bike. And I think the next thing, like I was saying in the video when we were riding, is that they're gonna do a Polini variator next with some weights, and then, I mean, it's already doing 47-ish with the setup that it has now, so to get it to 50 would be awesome, especially for these roads here. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the riding content. I know it's a little bit different. I know you really want to see the drag bike go, and you really want to see the first ride on it. It's coming. It's coming this week. I'm waiting for two things. Alright, that's the only thing that's really holding me back. The wheels are coming in, and then I just gotta have the tires mounted on them, and then I'll put them on the bike. I have 13s on here currently. I'm going down to a 12-inch wheel. So with that, it's gonna change the bike's look a little bit. They're black 5-spoke, they're pretty sick. So I'm gonna go over to those. I'll just show you real quick. I have the AEM wideband on right now. So that's all good to go. Just wired up on the outside because I'm not using it full time. I have it in the bung on the exhaust. So the bike's ready. It's ready to go. Wheels come in tomorrow. Hopefully I can probably buy the tires tomorrow too. Go drop it off at a shop, see if they can mount the tires on for me. Throw those things on here, and then go ahead and make my first couple rips with it, put it on the camera. The video for the first startup is doing amazing. I want to thank everyone who's a new subscriber coming to the channel. I appreciate you guys coming in, supporting the channel. My goal, if you haven't seen the other videos, is to take this bike out and start beating cars with it, go to the track, have fun with it. This has been kind of like a little project I've been wanting to do for a long time. It's like 95% done right now. I'm almost there. And then I'll start hitting the track once I get the wheels and tires that I want on there. So be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.